Hey everybody, it's me and Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird, say hi. Say hi. There you are. Hi baby, are you okay? What you doing? You got an itch? You got an itch? Yeah? Can Mama have kisses? Hi, Goose. Move your water a little bit. Well, today we're at the playground. Well, this evening. Gonna go home soon. The kids are playing. Teens are playing basketball and listening to their music over there. In case you're wondering what you're hearing. Pretty Bird's grooming me. We're just hanging out while she's grazing. Right? Look at that. Non-stop. And she loves to go after my hair. Right? Are those Mama's feathers? Yeah. Since I hatched her, in her mind, I'm her mother. And my children are her siblings. My husband, her dad. And it's true, right? Right? She's our baby. He's definitely not as much Goose as most geese are. Right? She's a good bird. Yes, you are. Yes, you good baby. And she's so spoiled. She's actually starting to get cold. And it's barely cold here where we live. Getting some more water? Go on. Drink your water. Go. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Oh, and here's what's awesome. What we found over here is that apparently in this neck of the woods we've got little dandelions, which she obviously loves, just like George the goose. And actually up until a few weeks ago she had never had dandelions before. Right, Goose? Yeah, you never had them before, huh? Here you go. Look, there's another one. Nom 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 nom. And she's loving them. Come on, let's go. Num nums. Let's go get some num nums. Let's show them your num nums. Come on. Num nums. Num num nums. It's my silly goose. In this neighborhood, we're pretty much known as the Goose people. I'm known as the Goose Mama or the Goose Lady. And people are astonished that this goose will just follow us anywhere when I take walks with my children. And just to clarify, Pretty Bird is a hybrid, but we did not get her from the wild, obviously. That would be illegal. Actually, we had no idea that she was going to be a hybrid. We got an egg from a farm, and after we incubated her for almost a month and she hatched, we realized that she looked different once her feathers started coming in, because we didn't even realize she was different until her feathers started growing in, which she must have been about, I don't know, 6 weeks or so, like 5-6 weeks old, when we first realized that she didn't look like the geese that we had seen on the farm. And so we were very surprised. And I did make sure to speak to someone in law enforcement to make sure that I was not breaking the law. Because regardless of what you may believe or what you may have heard or seen in movies, it is absolutely illegal to take any eggs or tamper with any nests from the wild. If you see an animal in duress, a baby or an adult, especially youngsters, unless they're injured, most of the time they actually don't need help. And if you believe they do, the best thing that you can do for that animal is actually to call fishing games, unless the animal is struggling in that very moment. And you feel that unless you intervene, the animal will die, that baby will die. Now, from my knowledge, they're not going to punish you, but you should still look into it yourself. But overall, the general idea is that every animal that lives in the United States of America belongs to every single citizen of the United States of America. And there are certain personnel that are appointed to care for those animals if they need it. And if a civilian decides to take one of those animals and puts them in a cage or keeps them inside of a house or anything like that, regardless of what your intent is, you're actually breaking the law. And I guess it's kind of like stealing from the entire country, which is, I don't know, it comes down to the whole moral versus, like moral law, I guess, like our own laws in our hearts versus the law that we have from our government. And everybody decides for themselves what they feel is right. But just in case anybody thought that this booger was from the wild, she's not. Just to clarify. Right, Goose Goose? Yes. You getting it? Are you getting it? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Ooh, nom nom. Look, Mama found a nice one. You want this one? Yes, you do. Ain't she pretty? She's so pretty. I absolutely love the speckles she has on her neck. I don't know if you guys have been able to really see that, but she's got these little polka dots. Can you see them? All over her neck right here. All down her neck. She's got little polka dots. And even though she has a black beak, she has orangey feet. Right, Goose Goose? Alright, pretty bird, are you ready to say bye-bye? I'm gonna have to go home soon. You gonna say bye-bye to your friends? Say bye-bye! Look at how beautiful you are. Look at with the light in the background. Oh, pretty goose. Oh, pretty goose. Yes, pretty goose. You're the good girl. Yes, you are the good girl. Alright, Goose Goose. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I'll see you next time. Bye.